So, pwede nyo ring i-click yung link under the description of this video para ma-redirect kayo sa PRC website. Once nandito na po kayo, makikita nyo register, sign in. So, kung wala ka pang PRC online account, i-click nyo yung register. Fill out nyo lang yung information. Of course, kailangan mayroon kayong registered Gmail address. Okay? Kung mayroon ka ng account, i-click mo lang yung sign in. So, since magre-renew tayo, click natin yung sign in. Pagkatapos nun, ay login kayo gamit yung email address nyo as your login, tapos yung password. I-click yung I'm not a robot, i-click yung sign in. Okay, so i-click nyo lang to, click proceed. So dito guys, click nyo yung select transaction. Okay? Okay, click mo yung proceed. So dito guys, select transaction, hanapin nyo yung renewal. Okay? Kasi magre-renew tayo. So, kung magtitik ka ng exam, so, sabi dito, name of examination. So, click mo yung drop-down menu kung anong klaseng exam yung iti-take mo. Kung whatever it is. Tapos yung examination type, for example, agricultural engineer. Okay, so click mo lang yan. So since renewal tayo, click natin yung renewal. Okay, so sa renewal, i-click mo yung profession mo. Professional teacher, tapos yung PRC license number. Okay, example this one. Tapos, click mo yung proceed. So, hintay ka lang mga few minutes. Okay. Now, pag nandito na kayo sa page na to, select nyo yung preferred PRC regional office kung saan yung regional office nyo. So, in my end, sa Leyte ako. So, specifically, Tacloban City ako. Okay. Pagkatapos nyan, i-click nyo yung next. Okay? So, may error dito guys. No slot available. So, the place you have chosen has reached its maximum numbers of slots. Okay. So, nangyayari ito guys pag wala ng slot na available. So, normally, ang gagawin nyo lang ay login kayo ulit the next day. Tapos, try nyo ulit. Pero kung may iba kayong nearest PRC office sa inyong lugar, let's say in my part yung pinakamalapit ay Ormoc, pwede ko ring piliin yung Ormoc. Okay, so we can proceed. So yan, makikita nyo guys dito, mayroong branch, tapos yung scheduled time. So ito yung scheduled time na pupunta ka doon. Tapos 11 to 12 PM mo makukuha yung renewed PRC ID mo. Now, kung makikita nyo yung Tacloban yan, so mayroon na siya. So ang gagawin mo lang guys, pag na-receive mo yung no slot error, i-refresh mo lang. So try mong mag-select ng other branch ng PRC, tapos balik ka doon sa specific na preferred na PRC regional office na gusto mo. So as you can see guys, nakikita nyo na, yan. So click mo yung next. So after this guys, select payment method. So magbabayad ka na guys ha. So may tatlong payment options. Pwede kang magbayad sa Pimaya, GCash. So yung pinakasikat kasi GCash eh. Halos lahat tayo alam na gumamit ng GCash. Next. So, again, your information cannot be edited. So, make sure na yung info na nilagay mo ay correct. Tapos, i-click mo yung submit application. Okay, click mo lang yes. So, maghintay ka lang ng ilang seconds. So, yun guys. So, yung babayaran is 458 pesos. Okay? Including yung convenience fee. So, ito guys. Ito yung regular rate or regular charge kapag active ka na public school teacher. Tapos, nag-expire yung ID mo. Tapos, nag-renew mo. So, ito yung fee. Pero kapag license ka na pero hindi ka pa nagtuturo sa public school, mas less yung babayaran mo. So, mga less 100 yan. Ka ng code sa phone number na yon. So, meron kang maraming oras para ma-receive yun. After mong ma-receive, ilagay mo lang dito. Tapos, after nyan, i-click mo yung next. Tapos, yung next window ay makikita mo yung payment confirmation. So, after nun, may makikita kang parang ganito. I-click mo lang yung proceed. So, after proceed, mas less pala yung babayaran pagka active public school teacher ka tapos mag-renew ka ng PRC ID mo. Tapos, mas malaki yung babayaran pagka licensed teacher ka na pero hindi ka pa nagtuturo as public school teacher. O baga, nag-apply ka pa lang. So, ito yung babayaran, 638. Okay, so after nyan, i-preprint mo yung yung parang basta kukunan mo lang siya ng picture, okay? To get the reference number. So, check mo yung kukunan mo lang to ng picture. Tapos, pupunta ka na dun sa PRC office. I-present mo yung transaction code. Tapos, kunin mo na yung ID mo. Okay? So, yun po ang ating tutorial. So, I hope this video will help you guys, lalo na dun sa mga gustong mag-renew ng kanilang expired professional ID online. So, as a thank you guys, huwag kalimutang mag-like at leave comments down below sa video na ito. Pa-share na rin itong video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye!